You have helped your friends fix their resume. You have looked at a job description and say, this could sound better. The question is, why are you still doing it for free? Right now, there are professionals, graduates, job seekers who are willing to pay $150, $250, $500 for someone to help make their resume stand out. Not because you have a fancy degree, not because you are a certified HR expert, but because you know how to position people for success. Today, I'm going to show you how to start a resume writing business from scratch, even if you have never done it before. No fluffs, just a bold, confidence action. Are you ready? Let's get started. Hi Achievers, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I am Favour, and I help purpose-driven professionals build income stream rooted in confidence, clarity, and cash flow. I am the author of Confidence Creates Wealth, and I believe when you work in boldness, you attract opportunities, clients, and income God has already ordained for you. So, if you are ready to build wealth on purpose and work in your assignments, go ahead and subscribe. This is where we turn ideas into income. Let's be real. Everyone needs a resume. Whether it's a college grad, a stay-at-home mom returning to the workforce, or an executive, everyone wants to look good on paper. That's where you come in. You don't need to be a HR expert. You don't need to have a business degree. What you need is clear writing, a little research, and confidence to deliver results. And here is why I love this hustle. Low startup cost, just your laptop and internet. High profit margin. You can charge $100 plus more per client. Flexible schedule. You can do it around your 9 to 5 for your kids. And lastly, real impact. You are literally helping people level up their life. Let me tell you, this side hustle helped me pay bills, build confidence, and opened doors. That's why I'm sharing it with you today. So let's break down how to start your resume writing business in 5 bold steps. Step 1. Start by what you already know. Look at your own resume and look at resumes that you've worked on before. Find out what makes them strong and what needs work. Start practicing by rewriting sample resumes based on job descriptions. You can find templates online or on LinkedIn. Step 2. Learn the basics of ATS, Applicant Tracking System. Most companies use softwares to scan resumes. Learn how to format and keyword optimize resumes to pass those scans. It's not hard. You can learn it for free on YouTube or take a course on Udemy. Step 3. Create a mini portfolio. Create 2 to 3 samples using made-up names and job descriptions. Showcase your formatting, your writing, and your ability to position someone powerfully. And this will become your proof when pitching your services. Step 4. Set up your pricing and packages. Start simple. Offer a basic resume, for example, $100. Resume and cover letter, $150. Resume and LinkedIn profile optimization, $250. Don't be afraid to charge. People are paying for transformation, not just typing. Step 5. Start finding clients. Tell your circle, I now offer resume writing services. Post tips on LinkedIn and Facebook. Join freelancing network like Freelancers and Upwork. You can also pitch to staffing agencies and local job boards. And here is a big tip. Show your value. Post before and after, client wins, or even your own story. People don't just buy services, they buy results and energy. Now, let's talk about how to stand out in this industry. Here is what clients really want. Clarity, confidence, and strategy. They don't want fluffs. They want resumes that get them interview. So learn how to write impact statements, highlight results, and tailor resumes for each job descriptions. Offer fast turnaround, be professional, and always deliver more than expected. And that is how you go from side hustle to serious business. I didn't start with a fancy setup. I started with my laptop, a few referrals, and a boldness. And from there, door opened, clients came, and confidence grew. So, if you have ever doubted whether you are ready, Listen to me. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to be willing. Start now. Learn as you go and watch what God does when you show up fully. If this video inspired you, let me know in the comments. Are you thinking of starting your resume writing business? I want to encourage you. And if you want deeper mindset shifts and motivations like this, grab my book, Confidence Creates Wealth. It's packed with wisdom, power, and practical tools to help you show up. The link is in the description. Subscribe for more side hustle strategies, faith-driven business tips, and weekly encouragements to help you build income and impact your boldness. Let's get this, achievers. Let's build. I'll see you in the next video. And if you like this video, make sure to watch the next one.